Okay, progress. So I'm about to take a little bit of a break, get some water, and take this mask on. Again, try to help my allergies out. But gotta get this weeds out of here. Oh my gosh, before I till, because unfortunately, so I made a comment a minute ago and I said that, see, I kind of got all in there, cut down some tree branches that are coming up right here. This is like an old tree. It keeps trying to grow every year, so I had to cut it down. So I got underneath the trees a bit, and so I was about to do this one little area right here before I take a break, and I wanted to show you something because I said something incorrectly. Now, yes, I believe these pretty little purple lavender flowers actually do drop seeds and jump off as well. But what I was really talking about, I realized as I was pulling them, is these long stemmy things here. Now, I don't know if they're part of that. I don't know what kind of weed it is. But if you hit it, I don't know if you can see that. I hate to even do it. But did you see all those things pop off there? So, yeah, I've got to be very, very careful to even still. I actually didn't pop any off just now, but they come off so easily, and they will drop a trillion weeds in your garden. So, yeah, I wanted to show you that those were the little culprits. Those right there, those straight leaves that drop a trillion seeds. Also, I want to show you this little bit of, looks like it's oregano or thyme that I have growing throughout my garden. I believe it was because I once upon a time planted some in the ground, but then I have like some oregano up here, and it might have dropped seeds, and I have oregano growing like everywhere, like oregano and thyme, like growing everywhere through the floor of the garden over here. I'm not going to pull it up. I mean, I am going to use my solution, my vinegar solution. So if some of it dies, then, that's fine. But that was pretty amazing. Like, yeah, you see those little things right here? These are all weeds. I'm definitely going to try to get them with my solution, because they'll pop these little seeds all over the place. And it'll be ridiculous all season long. Like, they'll keep coming up and keep coming up and keep coming up. So I'm excited. I made the vinegar solution, and I'm trying to get the weeds up first, and then I'm going to spray everywhere. Stay tuned.